500 employees. And then 40% of them are men. So kukunin niyo yung number of men, no? By multiplying 500 by 0.4. So multiply natin 500 times 0.4. That is 0, 0, 5 times 4, 20. So we have 200. Okay? Pag nakuha mo yung number of men, which is 200, kukunin mo yung number of supervisors. Sabi dyan, 35% daw. So that is 200 times 0.35. Pwede naman tong i-mental pero pakita ko kung paano kino-compute. 200 times 0.35. So dun muna tayo kay 5. 5 times 0, 0, 0. 5 times 2, 10. 3 times 0, 0, 0. Then 3 times 2, 6. Okay, then plus. So 0, 0, 0. 1 plus 6, 7. So we have 2 decimals. Kaya dalawang beses tayo magmo-move. So ang sagot 70.0, no? So letter C. Yan. Okay, so nakuha po ba kung paano sinosolve